Hello, my name is Tatenda and Zimbabwe. So today I want to give you 5 reasons why I feel like everyone in Zimbabwe should be dealing with gold in one way or the other. But I'm going to give you 5 of my best reasons why you should be buying and selling gold in Zimbabwe. Starting with reason number 1, you don't need any qualifications. So you as you are, all you need is training. Get someone to mentor you, teach you how to do it, and you're in the money. And I've got an online course that can do that for you, just selling for $50. And if you've got a coupon code gold 2019, you can buy it for $30. Now that's out the way. Reason number 2 is this is very profitable. It's one of the things that you can have up to even 30% profits per week of the money you spend in buying the gold and selling it forward. So this is something you can consider, because I don't know your circumstances, but if you need extra money or if you need proper money, that's something you should consider. And the reason number 3, gold is in abundance in Zimbabwe. It's everywhere, and the market is abundant in Zimbabwe as well. So if you've got an abundant supply and an abundant market, that's what I call a dream, to be fair. And reason number 4, you get proper US dollars, and in Zimbabwe currently very few businesses can give you US dollars within Zimbabwe, so you need to consider this seriously. Reason number 5, you can start small, right? You got 100 US dollars, or you got 300 bond or 400 bond, you can start with that, and you can start with my bond and even convert that money into US dollars. I think that's probably the only safest way that you can actually do it in Zimbabwe. Buying and selling gold is something you're considering in Zimbabwe. I'd urge you to check the link in the description below and use coupon code gold 2019 to get a 40% discount. And until next time, see you again.